Hey guys. Okay, so I got my BoxyLuxe about a week and a half ago, and I started to try to edit the footage, and it was corrupt. So this is take 2 of me doing this footage. So obviously the box is open, and I have used a couple of things in the box, but I'm going to open the box for you and go back through everything in it, and just basically do a re-unboxing, because it's a really great box and I'm really happy with it, and I want to show you guys what is in it. So bear with me. You don't get to see, how pretty it was boxed, but inside. Okay, so since this was my first one, I didn't get the big long card that BoxyLuxe sends out. I just got the shorter version of the card, but it does have all the spoilers on the back. That's all I'm going to show you. I'll tell you about everything in a minute. I didn't get to choose whether I got the extra palette or the hair straightener, but I'm really glad I got the extra palette. I got the Protégé palette by Suva. It's really pretty. Let me bend that mirror back so I don't blind you. It's really pretty. These are really pretty shades. I haven't even swatched them yet, because when I got this palette, I had full intentions of making a video with it. Then when I saw that my footage was corrupt, I didn't want to swatch it yet so I could redo the footage, and I just haven't had time yet. So it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm redoing the footage. So but you got 2 highlighters and 6 really pretty eyeshadows, and I'm really excited to have this. I'm planning on playing around with it this week. It's Christmas week, and I am going to probably do a holiday look with this palette or the other palette that I got. So yeah, this is gorgeous. Okay, the other palette that everybody got was the Voss Pro Holy Grail palette, and I know that the camera is reflecting that really bad, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this puppy up. And there's a beautiful big mirror in it, but I'm sure that's blinding you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. This is definitely a warm toned person palette. Probably going to play with this for the holidays too, because I mean, look at these. One of the shades came a little crumbled. Look at these gorgeous holiday shades. Look at these cranberries and these shimmers. I think they'll be gorgeous for Christmas and for New Year's. Planning on playing with this week, and that's why I was in such a rush to get this back up and not wait till the new year. So I'm looking forward to playing with this palette. Something I've already played with was the Pretty Vulgar the Powder Room Translucent Powder. This is a great translucent powder. I mean, it's really finely milled. It comes with this adorable powder puff, which is dirty because I used it already. But it's so cute. I mean, so puffy and pink and pretty. I love it. Like, I'm definitely a pink girl when it comes to clothes and things like this, but not lipsticks. But otherwise, definitely a pink girl. But it's definitely, just a translucent powder. Very finely milled. I don't know, maybe comparable to the Laura Mercier powder. It's really nice. I like it. I'm definitely glad I got this instead of the Wander Beauty palette, the blush and highlighter palette. I'm glad I got this instead. Something I haven't tried out yet is the because I've been using other creams, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I was really surprised when I looked at this card and saw how much this stuff costs. It definitely, this paid for the whole box and more. But I have seen reviews for this cream that it's a nice cream, makes your skin baby soft, all that. I've got to read the instructions and see what you're supposed to do with this little scoop. I think this is pretty much all that you're supposed to use on a daily basis. It seems, let's see if I can pop this thing off. I don't have any nails right now. There we go. Yeah, it seems to be a pretty thick cream. So I'm thinking that that's why they give you this little scoop, because you're not supposed to use more than that. Or that's the recommended amount. I made a mess out of the jar just then. Yeah, it's really, well, it's not really thick, but it's, yeah, that's nice. It's a nice cream. It doesn't have like a offending smell. It just has like a normal moisturizer smell is what I would call it. Just a normal moisturizer smell. Nothing fancy and flowery or anything like that. It just smells like normal face cream. It's the best way to describe it if you ask me. But yeah. But I have heard several people talk about this, and they say it's really nice. So I'm going to be starting into this really soon. These I was really excited about getting because Luxie brushes are some of my favorite brushes. This is a really nice set. This would be a nice gift for somebody. I'm keeping them for myself, actually. But it comes with a highlighter brush, let's see, a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, a pro precision brush, a tapered blending, an eye shading, a flat definer, a brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. I've heard people think that this little brush right here is a broken brush, but no, it's actually a lip brush. This pops open and there's a little lip brush in there, which is actually kind of cool because most lip brushes are, you know, just come like in this form, and you know, there's no really good way to travel with them. This one goes down into the tube and you can pop it in your makeup bag and, you know, take it with you. Really cool. I like this. Okay. A couple of smaller things that are in the box. This Grande mascara, I haven't opened it yet. I've seen a spoiler of it. The brush looks really good. I haven't opened it because I've got several mascaras open. You're only supposed to use mascaras for 3 months, and then you're supposed to toss them out. I don't want to open this one yet because I do want to try it. And like I said, I've got, I think, 4 or 5 mascaras open right now, and I don't want to open this one yet because I don't want to have to use it yet, but I am excited to try it. I got a Tarte shimmering lip paint in the color Insta Famous. Some people got like a gold color, which I'm really glad I didn't get. I got this really pretty like pinky purple color. I've put this over a liquid lip and over a bullet lip both this week, and it is really, really pretty. And it's kind of pretty on its own too. I don't know if the camera will, but it's kind of just a really shimmery pinky purple color, and it is so pretty. And smells, has like a vanilla-y, like almost a buttercream frosting kind of scent. It's really nice. I got the Glam AF Primes of Beauty combo. Comes with this little charger. Now, I've heard people are having problems with this, overheating. They don't understand how it works, how to use it with their phones. At the top here, it's not really obvious when you get it. There's this little paper that comes with it, first of all. and it comes with a little charger cord of its own. This is not for This is not for charging your phone. This is for charging the charger. It plugs in right here. And you plug this into any kind of brick and charge this. Then for an iPhone, this little guy right here flips up and this plugs into your iPhone. And even though it is for an iPhone, it does have to be plugged in a certain way for it to work with your iPhone. You have to have this, the Crimes of Beauty part, facing down, like facing towards the back of your phone, and plugged in like this for it to charge your phone for an iPhone. Now for an Android, you will plug in to the USB port and plug your actual adapter into your Android. And then it also has this Type-C adapter right here for other devices. I've not had any problems with mine overheating. I've plugged my iPhone into it. I've plugged my husband's Android phone into it. I've not had any trouble with it at all. And I have one other thing I got, and I need to go grab it out of my shower. This is the Spongelle body buffing sponge and body wash. This thing is great. All you do is you get it wet and squeeze it a little bit. It foams up and it works better than a loofah. You just scrub, buff your elbows, your knees, your shins. Just scrub all over with it basically. And then when you're done, you just wring the water out of it and let it dry in your shower. And it's fantastic. I love it. So that was everything I got in my BoxyLuxe. So I'm going to go over the prices really quick, so this video is not 100 years long. So the Elemis Marine Cream, this is what I was saying, but this paid for the whole box. This is $89. Okay? Yeah. This little jar of cream, $89. Okay. The Tarte lip paint is $20. The Violet Voss Holy Grail palette is $45. The Suva Beauty Protégé palette is $34. The Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set is $65. The Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer is $20. The Grande Cosmetics Grandemascara is $25. The Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder Matte About It is $32. And the Crimes of Beauty Wristlet and Portable Charger is $22. Now when I added all of this up, my box came up to over a $350 value. Now, the way BoxyLuxe works is you have to be a BoxyCharm member, which is $21 a month, and then in each quarter, so like March, June, September, and December, they will charge you an additional $28.99 for you to get the bigger box instead of the small BoxyCharm box. So that works out to be $49.99 for that month. So this box was $49.99, and it has a over a $350 value. So to me, that's definitely worth $49.99. But I am subscribed to, like I said, to BoxyCharm. I've been getting BoxyCharm for over like a year and a half, and it's $21 a month. I get tons of like brushes, palettes, like face palettes, eyeshadow palettes, full-size mascaras, all kinds of stuff that I wouldn't think to buy for myself probably, but BoxyCharm puts it in there, and I try it out, and I'm like, wow, I really enjoy this. Wow, I really love this. Wow, why didn't I think to buy this for myself? So BoxyCharm is a great subscription box. I'll link it below in my video, in the bottom of this video. And this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. BoxyCharm has no idea I'm even making this video. They don't even know I exist. So this is just like my favorite subscription box in the whole wide world. I love it. I think it's the best bang for your buck, and I think you guys ought to check it out. So I don't think the box, I'm fairly certain you can't, when I'm taping this, you can't get this box anymore. You may still be able to get just the regular December box, because I'm going to edit this tonight and get this up tonight, hopefully. And some of this stuff was in the regular December box, so if you sign up tonight, there's a very good chance you can get some of the stuff that came in this box. And I will talk to you again in another video soon. Bye guys.